Hi, welcome to AI Image Mover. Now what this does, it takes the images and it looks at the objects in the image, say like a dog and a person, and it creates subfolders for depending on what they are. So it's good for moving, say if you've got lots of pictures of planes and cars, then it will put the folders into two categories. So you have a folder of cars and a folder of planes. Now I'll show you how it works quickly. Now to click on Go and select the folder to process. So I'm going to process this folder here. Click OK. And that's it. It'll start processing. Now as you can see, it's created lots of folders. So basically it's put the cars into the cars folder automatically by looking at the images to see what's actually on the image. So if it's just one car, then it will just create a car folder, or if it's more than one, it'll call cars folder. So now if you look in this folder here, you can see that it's put the cars in there. If you look in the folder there, you can see it's put the dog, just one dog in there. So you might get ones with multiple things, multiple objects. So like for example, it's found persons and skis. So I've got image of a person on skis here, so it's detected those. For that, it's aeroplanes. There's 4 planes. So it's, on this one, it's done bicycles and plant pots. And it's a good way of categorizing. It's not 100% perfect. It sometimes picks up like a rhino as an elephant, for example. Now if you click on the Alt P, it'll go into preview mode and you can see what it's actually doing, and then you click on Go. So as you can see here, it's displaying what it's found. It's just a rectangle box around the cars, and then it shows the percentage of match on that. Click close, you can see that it's found the planes and the boxes around. And this one's a bit more complicated. See, it's found a person, and then it's found the dog and another person. So that it will put it into persons, dog folder. Okay, so if you've got lots like that, then it'll put them all in that folder. See, you've got a running dog there. You can have running objects. A bit more complicated. You've got person, dogs, person, car. So you can see it's put in that folder there, persons, car, dog folder. This is a low res image taken from a video camera. It's just got the bed picked up there. This one, it's picked up zebra. This is just a hand drawn image, but it's also found a bird there which is obviously not right. So it's not 100% perfect. But give it a try. It'd be great for like picking up from field cameras. So you've got thousands of images and you're only looking for one with, say, a dog in it, then it'd be perfect for that. See, it's picked up multiple persons here, picked up all 4, and it gives you a percentage here, match type. It will actually, for the processing, take anything above 40%. The bike, and that's the bike's actually behind the sign as well, and it's still picked it up correctly. And that's it. It's free. Is this version? Give it a try.